Hello everybody, welcome to Math CEO's Music in the Duomo. Let's get started. So what is the Duomo? Well, the Duomo refers to the Duomo di Milano, or the Milan Cathedral in Milan, Italy. Construction for the Duomo started in 1387, making it more than 600 years old. It is the fifth largest cathedral in the world, and there are 3,400 statues, 135 gargoyles, and 700 figures. They are holding a music concert at the Duomo, and 8 musicians from all over the world have come together to participate. So let's meet our musicians now. We have the anteater, the beaver, the coyote, the duck, the eagle, the flamingo, the gorilla, and the hare. There are 8 spots in the Duomo where each musician can sit in. There are 4 on the left side, 4 on the right side, 4 on the top level, and 4 on the bottom level, giving a total of 8 spots. But the musicians all have requests. Your job is to fulfill all the requests of the animals and fill up all 8 spots in the Duomo so the music concert can go off without a hitch. Feel free to pause the video here and try it out yourself. So, how do we do this? Well, where do we start? Let's start by taking the duck's clue. The duck wants to be directly below either the anteater or the flamingo. But if we look at the flamingo's clue, the flamingo wants to be directly above either the hare or the eagle. This means the flamingo does not want to be above the duck. So this leaves us with the duck below the anteater. And since there are 2 levels, the duck is on the bottom level and the anteater is on the top level. Now let's look at beaver's and anteater's clue. The beaver and the anteater want to be on the left side. And if we look at beaver's clue, the beaver wants to be on the top level. So this means, with these 2 clues, we can place these 3 in these positions. But how do we know which one is the correct one? Well, let's turn to anteater's and hare's clue. The anteater and the hare need to be located as far as possible from each other. To be as far away from each other as possible, they would either have to be here in these 2 spots, the bottom left and the top right, or these 2 spots, the top left and the bottom right. How do we choose? Well, remember how the anteater wants to be on the left side, and how the duck wants to be below the anteater? That means the anteater has to be on the top level, left side. And there's only one spot we can really put him in, which is right here. If we were to do that, the hare wants to be located as far away from him as possible, so we'll place him here. Now the duck wants to be below the anteater, so we'll place him there. And remember the beaver? The beaver wants to be on the left side and the top level. There's only one spot left, so we'll place him there. Great, we're halfway through. Let's look at beaver's and eagle's clue. The beaver and the eagle want to be at the same level. That means the eagle wants to be at the top level, but there are 2 spots. How do we choose? Well, let's look at flamingo's clue one more time. The flamingo wants to be directly above either the hare or the eagle. But since the eagle wants to be at the top level, there's no place for the flamingo to go to be above the eagle. So we'll place the flamingo above the hare. And the beaver and the eagle want to be at the same level. Since the beaver is at the top level, the eagle wants to be at the top level as well. So we'll place him in the last top spot. There are 2 musicians left, the gorilla and the coyote. Let's look at our final clue. The coyote and the hare want to be at the same height but on opposite sides. Since the hare is on the bottom level, the coyote is on the bottom level. And since the hare is on the right side, the coyote wants to be on the left side. So we'll place the coyote here. And since there's 1 spot left, the gorilla can take that place. Great! We filled up all the spots in the Duomo. But let's double check our request to make sure everybody is happy. Clue number 1. The beaver and the anteater want to be on the left side. Check. Clue number 2. The coyote and the hare want to be at the same height, but on opposite sides. The coyote is on the left side, the hare is on the right side, and they're both on the bottom level. Check. The duck wants to be directly below either the anteater or the flamingo. Well, the duck's below the anteater, so check. Clue number 4. The beaver wants to be on the top level. The beaver is at the top level. Check. Clue number 5. The flamingo wants to be directly above either the hare or the eagle. The flamingo is above the hare. Check. The beaver and the eagle want to be at the same level, and they're both on the top level. Check. Clue number 7. The anteater and the hare need to be as far as possible from each other. Check. And that's all our requests. Now that we have fulfilled all the animals' requests and filled up all the spots in the Duomo, the music concert can begin. How did you do? Are all the animals in the same spot? Did you get another solution? Are all the animals in different spots? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and hope you're having a wonderful day.